Yeah, what is the difference between ABCD and MAD?
Well, I think difference is in the form itself. Like she very rightly said, that when we do this dancing in India, we kind of incorporate a lot of Bollywood in it or Indianness in it. But I've tried to stick to the form, stay true to the form. So in that sense, it's very different.
See, also, you know, a dance film का एक formula होता है. Just like it's got a formula. Like a sports film will have a formula, or you know, a heist film will have a formula. A dance film will have a certain formula which will be common in most dance films. It's what you do, and with the screenplay and how you make it different is. But formula वही होगा. You will have underdogs who want to dance. I mean, there is a certain formula to the film.
But साहिल आपको
अगर रही तो वो ज़्यादा बेहतर इस तरीके की फिल्मों को पेश कर सकती है rather than
I think you need to really have people who can do this kind of dance. क्योंकि ये अभी बाद में जाके नहीं सीख सकते हो. You have to have that passion and that energy, and you should be able to perform these dances also. It's very difficult to perform these dances. He's been training for how long now?
Not training, but I have been dancing
He's been
since
dancing,
I was 5.
So you know, it's like ये passion आपको बचपन से होता है, और तब आप जाके ऐसा अगर आप ऐसा डांस नहीं कर सकते, then it's very silly to cast you in a movie which is based about a superb dancer.
Had you ever faced such kind of situation as Prem mentioned, he faced such...
I went abroad only when I was very old, so I never faced it like him.
Well, Farah ma'am, this is Nayandeep from DNA.
Hello,
I just wanted to ask you one question. When ABCD was releasing, we all felt it's the Indian version of Step Up. But once we got to see the film, it had a lot of Indianness, as you just told.
True.
This is sleek. This looks international. The trailer is way above expectations. Do you think this will set a trend or a benchmark for the other dance films that will come after this?
I hope it does, because you know, the story is very Indian at heart. I've seen the film. So if the dance form is not, but the story is about an Indian boy who's going there and wants to break into the international dance scene. So the story at heart is very Indian. You will feel all the emotions you feel in a Hindi movie. But I must say, yes, the trailer's truly rocking. So I'm glad, because it will give a new perspective to how people see the film.
Finally, I get the girl? Of course I get the girl.
At the end of it is a Hindi movie.
Hi, Sahil, Priya from Screen Magazine. Since it's a dance film, the music plays a very important role, and it's a key aspect again. So who has composed the music of this movie, and what can we expect?
Well, again, like the dance form, I wanted very specific music. So it's treated more like an OST. There's not one music director, but there are several. So there are people from India, there are people from UK. So there are about 5 music directors. No, the songs are very Indian. We have Indian songs, but with them we also have dance music, which is not so Indian. I don't think this needs an item number, to be honest.
There
we
are
have
enough
a lot of
dances
dancing
in it which are...
Item.
He's a new item boy.
Anyone else?
Okay, good. I can go home to my kids faster than I thought. So thank you.
Farah ma'am?
Yes. Bola.
Okay. You've been choreographing since the 1990s. There's a...
Makes me sound very old.
No,
when she was a kid.
Yes, when you were a kid.
Not
so
really,
there's a trademark change from what you've been doing. It was only Bollywood. There was Choli Ke Piche. There was Chane Ke Khet. Now we have different styles of dancing, more westernized. Do you miss that?
I brought about the change to begin with. So
she did.
At
have
the
you forgotten?
Sounding immodest.
No. My question is, do you miss having such talented dancers like?
No, I think today, in fact, I don't miss it, because that quintessential, maybe it will go out as movies are being made, the quintessential Bollywood song. We may see lesser and lesser of that, because I feel that people have a way of looking down upon it or saying that. But I think that is a very essential part of Hindi movies. And truly, I really feel that makes us stand out. When you take a Bollywood movie, it's completely different from any movie made anywhere in the world. Because we inherently have song and dance in it, which is so part of our culture and so part of our cinema that it doesn't then, which is the main reason why Hollywood has not wiped out our cinema like it has done world over. Because there is something so unique about our movies that they can't replicate that. And I don't think we should lose out on that. I mean, we can make different types of movies, but that, the homegrown Bollywood movie, I think that's our staple diet, and I think that will stay for a long time.
Okay, फरा मैम, आप खुद डायरेक्टर भी रही हैं, कोरियोग्राफर भी रही हैं, और आपने कहा कि आपने फिल्म देखी भी है, Made About Dance.
कौन है?
It's okay, ma'am, as well as you can hear me.
अच्छा. मिस्टर इंडिया कहाँ हो आप?
बहुत मिस्टर इंडिया है यहाँ पे.
तो जानना चाहूंगा, आपने खुद भी फिल्म देखी है, आप खुद भी एक काफी कामयाब डायरेक्टर है इंडस्ट्री की. क्या खास ऑडियंस को मिलेगा एज ए ऑडियंस अगर आप फिल्म देखती हैं जो आपने देखी है मेड अबाउट डांस?
आई थिंक बहुत फ्रेश, इट वाज अ फ्रेश टेक. इट वाज नॉट लाइक एनी movie that you expect or you have seen. The way it has been shot, it's very casual, very candid. I think it was not shot in a filmy fashion, track zoom trolley, round trolley, जो हम फिल्मों में जैसा drama was being treated very live, मतलब real. So it's almost like a like a docudrama on dance, but it has a very good story about it.
साहिल, आपके लिए आज कितना खुशी का पल है? How's the feeling all together? Farah Khan, the legend Farah Khan herself sitting next to you, appreciating your film, appreciating your film.
मुझे आप बाहर मिलना, आपने सही पहचाना है, मिस्टर इंडिया कहाँ हो आप?
Sahil, what's your take? Farah Khan, herself sitting next to you,
she is
appreciating your
awesome.
film.
I mean, since I know her, she's awesome, and it's really, really, really kind of her that she's come, and she's given us support. So I would like to actually thank you. Thank you very much. Right. She will give me a little slap later for that.
I was sitting with him when he was writing the script, and he would come to me to make sure things are going right and all that. But then I think you changed the script after that.
Yeah.
He took all my suggestions and changed them.
Well, Farah, as you said, the new item boy of the industry is So, any popular number in your film is gonna play? Any special number
in the future? Maybe,
yeah?
Yes. अभी ये तो complete हो गई है. कल last day है shooting का. तो but he is very talented, and no doubt I think we'll get a good actor after this movie.
Thank you.
We're from the University of Canberra in Australia, and thank you for having us here tonight. I loved the trailer, and I want to know, do you know if it's going to be released in Australia?
Australia, I'm not really sure. I will tell you afterwards. I'll talk to my marketing guys and let you know.
Well, I think it would be really popular. It looks fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you very
Nitin,
much.
just release it in Australia also.
Sahil here. Whom do you think is the best dancer in Bollywood, and whom do you look up to?
Well, I think we have lots of really good dancers. Hrithik, Shahid. I think all of them are really good. They have their own unique style. As far as my looking up to is concerned, I actually have my own guru in the film. I don't know how many of you all know, but there's one of the best dancers in the world. He's called Salah. He's from France. He's in the film. Well, obviously Farah Khan is the best videographer.
Well done. Ask him the question after I go home, na? My best dancer, you don't want to know?
Yeah, please tell me.
One and only Govinda.
Yes.
One and
of course.
only.
All right.
Okay.
So we'll just बाहर आपने देखा होगा